In diabetes type 2, not only glucose, insulin level is also high. The current treatment with insulin and insulin increasing medications is unscientific. The very high level of insulin leads to craving for carbohydrate-rich food, which lead to excess weight gain and obesity, hypertension, high cholesterol and triglycerides, heart disease, fatty liver, cancer, etc. In the new health optimization approach of modern medicine, the diabetic medications, including insulin, are stopped on the first day itself. The blood sugar will be under control within a few days without medications. Diabetic medications are the cause for hypoglycemic attacks and food cravings in diabetic patients. In this approach, since there is no medication, there is no fear of hypoglycemia and food cravings. The quick control of blood sugar and regaining of immunity helps recovery from infections and avoid the need for medical and surgical interventions like amputations, angioplasty, bypass surgery, retinal surgeries, dialysis, renal transplant, etc. Within 2 to 4 months, HbA1c could come down below 6. Latest scientific evidence shows the immune system controls physical and mental well-being as well. This approach reduces the need for medicines and surgery in your life. This is achieved by optimizing immunity through optimizing nutrition, physical activity, and reducing the toxin level in the body. The benefit of this approach is to all cells in the body, and thereby this becomes a single solution for many diseases. This is why this approach not only reverses diabetes and its comorbidities, but helps in getting relief to other coexisting diseases simultaneously. Since most diabetics develop one or more conditions like obesity, hypertension, high blood fat, fatty liver, allergy, asthma, arthritis, psoriasis, eczema, depression, autoimmune diseases, cancer, etc., this approach provides benefit across the spectrum. Most medications can be tapered off within 2 to 3 months. If you are overweight, a 10 to 20% reduction in weight may be possible in 2 to 3 months. There is no need for hospitalization. Using telemedicine protocol, hospital visit can be minimized. Even those living in far-off places or those admitted in ICUs with uncontrolled diabetes can avail this at home or in their hospital. The goal of this health optimization approach through clinically supported lifestyle optimization is to keep the patient free from chronic medications and surgery while keeping his or her body age below calendar age. Please share this video to your relations and friends who are suffering from diabetes and its complications. This is a chance for them to know of the benefits of this latest development that is available to them wherever they are.